Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely T-Cross S we've currently got for sale. So it's finished in black solid paint. So it features the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 95 PS, and that's mounted to a 5-speed manual gearbox as well. Being an approved used car from ourselves, you will get your 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 2 years MOT cover and much more. But if you need any more information throughout the video, please call us on 01270 864 452. So at the front there, you got your LED daytime running lights, keeping you visible on the road at all times. Down the side of the car, you got your lovely diamond cut 16-inch Rochester alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. Got heated wing mirrors to the side there for extra convenience, especially during winter. And let's jump into the rear of the vehicle now. Just give a closer look at those lovely seats. You can see you've got plenty of legroom and headroom also on offer. Got ISOFIX points on the outer seats there as well. There's also a cup holder just on the back there as well. Optionally fitted to this car is front and rear parking sensors. You've got total peace of mind there. And just jump into the rear of the vehicle now. You've got a generous amount of boot space on offer with 60/40 split folding seats available as well. So plenty of room in here for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. Just going to jump into the front of the vehicle now. Just give you a closer look at those seats and also an overview of the interior. You've got a lumbar support available there to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Touchscreen infotainment system. And a couple of cup holders running down the centre there as well. And that concludes the 360 walk around. I'm just going to jump behind the wheel in a moment and go through some interior features. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. Just behind the wheel now, you've got your speed limiter just on the indicator stalk on the left hand side there. And on the right hand side, you can control all information on this digital display. So with different driving data such as your range, miles per gallon and much more. You have your speed in digital forms, it's a little bit easier to read as well. As you move on to the brilliant infotainment screen, you've got a digital radio, so plenty of storage here for your favourite radio stations. Got a huge range of options to choose from the DAB station list as well to keep you entertained on the move at all times. Multiple media inputs also available. CD player and SD card slot, nice to hear in the way of the glove box. You have the optionally fitted entertainment and communications packs. You've got 2 USB ports and also the App Connect system, which I'll talk through shortly. So with the App Connect system, you've got your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay system, which allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more, effectively giving the car static navigation through the use of your phone. Your front and rear parking sensor screen there with your guidelines and also audible warnings, keep that paintwork in top condition. And a little bit further down the cabin now, you've got manual air conditioning there to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times, so it's nice and easy to adjust even whilst driving. And just below there, you've got a couple of USB ports and also a little bit of storage, so you can charge multiple devices on the move. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or would like to book in for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to assist further. And don't forget to ask about our flexible finance options on this car as well. Once again, thanks so much for watching and take care.